In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your mobile's camera to your laptop using Microsoft Teams. This approach is particularly useful if you want to join a meeting and use your phone's camera while simultaneously accessing your laptop for other functions, like screen sharing or taking notes. To get started, you'll need to have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your mobile device. Don't worry if you haven't done this yet. It's a straightforward process. Simply go to your App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Microsoft Teams. Once you locate it, proceed with the installation. After installing the app, the next step is to ensure that you sign in using the same Microsoft Teams account you use on your desktop. This is crucial to maintain a seamless experience across both devices. Once you're signed in, you're all set to join the meeting directly from your phone. Open the app, navigate to the meeting you want to join, and enter as you would normally. Now here's where the efficient multitasking comes into play. By joining the meeting on your mobile, you can use your phone's high-quality camera while keeping your laptop connected for other tasks like screen sharing or taking notes. It's like bringing the best of both worlds together. Your mobile camera handles the video, and your laptop handles everything else. This setup ensures that your meeting experience is smooth and professional. Before we wrap up, there's one key point to remember to avoid unnecessary echoing during the meeting. After joining the meeting, be sure to mute your phone's microphone. By muting it, you'll prevent any feedback or echo that could distract you or others in the meeting. This step is simple. Just find the microphone icon on your phone screen during the meeting and tap it to mute. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use your mobile camera as a webcam for your Microsoft Teams meetings while still making full use of your laptop's functionality. This method is not only practical, but ensures you look professional without needing to buy any additional equipment or complicated software. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident about setting up your devices for your next meeting. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other tips and tricks for maximizing your video conferencing experience. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your virtual meetings.